Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to actually change this to an Android. We're going to go to Build Settings. We'll go ahead and add the current scene that we got. We're going to go to Android. We're going to go to Switch Platform. So it's going to do its loading and stuff. If we go under Player Settings, there we go. Go under Player Settings, we're going to change the resolution. I'm just going to change this to portrait, so it's always long ways. Okay, so we're done with that. So let's see. In the game here, we're going to change this free aspect to a resolution kind of similar to what maybe a phone would be. So I'm actually going to use 10:16. Alright, similar to that. See how everything's now skinny. So we're gonna fix all that. Alright, so see it displays differently now. So let's change the size of this so it kind of fits in there. Alright, so let's check out our spawn area. See where that is. Alright, so we'll go in to kind of take up the whole area here. So let's play it, see what it looks like. Alright, so see how the balls now bounce. And we're gonna change the size of the text and everything too. Let's actually change the size of this ball and make it a little smaller. There. See, whenever you change that object, it also changes this object. So, because it's not initiating, but it initiate that object. Alright, so now we're going to deal with the canvas here. So actually what we're going to do is, in the canvas here, there's also a UI element called a panel, which panel is pretty useful. So what we're going to do is we're going to scale this down a little bit, put it up to the top. Alright, so, and we're going to change the rectangle transform. We'll put it in the upper left hand corner. And I find that whenever you change this and the screen size changes, this will change with it. So that's kind of important. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this element right here. We're going to actually drag it into panel. So we're going to create a child. So that'll be now a child object of panel. And we can actually make this a little bigger too. Okay, and also we're going to change the anchor point of the text to it's going to anchor to the panel, the upper left hand corner too. So, alright, so let's play it and see what it looks like. Okay. So now you got that, which is kind of cool. Alright. Wow, that thing went crazy, didn't it? Alrighty. So using a panel is actually pretty useful in a canvas. And I want to try. Let's change this to see how the canvas changed, or not the canvas, but the panel changed when I changed the resolution. So that's what's That's why it's important to kind of use a panel. And you could actually make this panel more transparent. You don't have to have that gray, so you don't. So it just looks like it's just the text there, so you don't ever see the panel. And the good thing is you can child a lot of things with this and move everything around. Like say you had multiple things up top here. That's another thing to use a panel for. So I guess that's about it for this video. See what I'm going to do on this next video.